To reconcile your EveryDollar zero-based budget, start by understanding what zero-based budgeting means. It is a method of budgeting where every single dollar of your income is assigned a job. Whether it be for savings, expenses, or debt repayment. First, log into your EveryDollar account and review your current budget. Make sure all your income and expenses are up to date. Next, identify any discrepancies between your budget and your actual spending. This could be due to overspending in a particular category or forgetting to record a transaction. Now, go through each category in your budget and reconcile the difference between what you plan to spend and what you actually spent. If you overspent in a category, determine where you can cut back in other areas to make up for the difference. If you underspent, consider allocating the extra funds to savings, debt repayment, or another category. It is essential to regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure you are on track with your financial goals. EveryDollar allows you to easily track your spending and make adjustments as needed. To avoid discrepancies in the future, set reminders to regularly review your budget and update your transactions. You can also set up automatic imports from your bank to make tracking your spending easier. By following these steps, you can effectively reconcile your EveryDollar zero-based budget and stay on top of your finances. Remember to stay consistent, and do not be too hard on yourself if you make mistakes. The key is to learn from them and make adjustments to improve your financial management over time. Regularly reconciling your budget will help you achieve financial stability and reach your long-term goals. It will also help you develop healthy financial habits and make the most of your money. By taking control of your finances, you can reduce stress and achieve peace of mind.